Burnt out car found with skeletal remains in St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links of 7 TV News Report. Residents in Torrado Heights Coral Garden discovered human remains in a burnt out car on Sunday morning. The police in St. James are reporting that residents stumbled upon a burnt-out Nissan AD wagon at approximately 7:30 a.m. and called the police. The police said that the scene was processed and the remains removed to the morgue pending postmortem examination. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.